Well, the lay of the land here is the thunderstorms have a tendency to go by south of us or north of us. Last night they went by north of us, and we got just a bare sprinkle. I mean, it could have wet enough to wet a paper towel if it was laid on a deck. And today they're passing south of us. It's raining down the river. You can see it rain coming out of those, right in front of those trees. And look back this way, you can see a thunderstorm right there, but it's all moving that way. So we might not get any. We could sure stand a little bit of rain. Even 5 minutes would save us from watering for a whole day. Well, welcome to Virginia thunderstorms. Today is Thursday the 28th of July, and yesterday they passed down there. 2 days ago they passed up there, and it's passing up there now. It's all the way over to there. You can see the front edge of that rain. You can see another wisp of rain coming out of there. And it's all moving a little bit on the northeast, which is about that way. And that is the closest it's come to maybe we're going to get some rain. And we're sure hoping for it. But see, you can see those clouds. The river here runs about northwest, southeast. So it's running just a little to go across the river up there where that is. So then air weather would come from down back there, and you can see the sun shining. And this is the way it works. I've been coming down here for, good Lord, since 1968. And the rain goes by that point, or the rain goes by that point over there, and it's very rare for it to come through here. It is a little long-winded, but that's what a Virginia thunderstorm looks like at 6:45 on a nice July afternoon, and we hit 99. Not a lick of breeze all day long, and you can tell we got breeze now with this changing temperature. It's definitely whipped up a few whitecaps. Well, it looks like it's going to get any rain down that way. Anyway, say a little prayer for us. I know it'll be after the fact, but we could sure stand some rain. That grass is burning up. And the cornfields around here are turning brown. They're not even going to get ears, much less corn. It's been tough here the last month or so. Well, it's a light rain, not a heavy rain, but it is wet and it's falling. The deck is wet, the table is wet. If this would happen, maybe 30 minutes worth, you can see it lightening up a little bit to the north. It ain't going to last for so much longer, and it's a little lighter that way. But at least we're getting some official rain. There's a squirrel going to get some last-minute snack before bedtime. At least it's raining. Well, it's about 10 o'clock at night out here at the river in the total darkness, but when knocked down drag out, looks like you're in a war. The lightning is horrific. For a camera that doesn't do well in the dark, but better than most, and it's handheld. But talk about some serious lightning. My phone went off, said we were in a tornado area. It's just continuous lightning. You know, I'm just holding this thing, it's getting up on 56 seconds. The wind's blowing me back and forth. Horrific lightning. Got about 25 knots of wind blowing. Knockdown dragger lightning. It's 2:30 and that's enough for me. I'm going back inside. Lightning and thunder. Because it's 5 minutes to 12 and this started when it was daytime. You know, it gets dark maybe about 9. So this has been going on for 3.5 hours. But it hasn't been raining the whole time. We got over an hour of rain. And now it's raining again. Running out of battery. Well, I don't know if they still do it or not, but weather stations for the United States government, at least, all over the United States, at least, use 8-inch shell casings. After the 8-inch shell is fired, the casing, the copper casing, is the ideal size to collect water. And since it rained really hard last night and we had a bad storm, we left this little container right there. And this container is 6.5 inches, so this would be less than accurate. But since we hadn't had any water in quite a while fall from the sky, we're sitting on 2 inches. And since it's 6.5 instead of 8, I would say it's probably at least 2.25. And if I did the math, it might be higher, but I don't care. I got 2 inches of water in this bucket. And that's what matters today.